Bridget O'Malley, you have my heart shaken with a hopeless desolation. I'll have you to know it's with wonder and admiration your quiet face has taken. Your beauty will haunt me wherever I go. The white moon above the pale suns, the pale stars above the thorn tree are cold beside my darling, yet no purer than she. I gaze upon the cold moon till the stars drown in the warm sea, and the bright eyes of my darling are never on me. Sunday it is weary, my Sunday